in a pseudo-stratification of society. You have a complex canaluculi. If you don't do a crystallized distillation, you might have a mistake to get an impression that society in its nature is designed in such a way that primitive atavism will suggest that only the brave can succeed. No, that's not why we're here today. I am here to thank every one of you, to ask that the reconstruction of Cross River State just started. The wheels of progress have just started. In developing economies, leadership must be like a basket. You must allow opportunity for the ventilation of ideas. You must allow opportunity for the seepage of resources and wealth to the young people. There must be a generational shift of power. I beg every one of us as leaders, let's bury our private and public interests. Let's kill it. The only way leadership of this country and this state, the APC of Cross River State, can prosper when we put the past behind us and create a new fortress, a new opportunity, a vista of hope that every one of us is on the same table. We sit on the dining table. Ayade will not play politics of former current APC as it then was. Please, let's put an end to the factions in APC. Put an end to it. There is enough for every one of us. Let's put an end to the factions. That has been the secret of the failure of APC in Cross River State. That must end today. We will not, God willing, and the God I serve, not one seat will get out of APC. Not one seat. You must all realize that Giant Alakuku, Ayade, is too special. I don't play politics carelessly. I play intellectual politics. And those who misunderstand me, mistake me. I seek the power for APC in Cross River State because I know socketing Cross River State to the center with the ideas that I have created and have started, with a smart person who can take over in the unity of purpose, Cross River State will be the next Lagos of Nigeria. Calabar will be the city we'll celebrate. I want to go before President Muhammadu Buhari and tell him now that I'm here. Tell me how we lost Bakassi, lost our oil wells, and you cannot give us a Bakassi deep report. Tell me why you cannot do the super highway when that super highway connects your people from northern Nigeria and empty into Atlantic Ocean. Cross River State is only taking Atlantic Ocean closer to the northern Nigeria. Tell me why you cannot fund it. We are now in the center. I will work with Mr. President. I am in this family, and there will be nobody I will put on the lap and put another person on the floor. For every elective office, we will sit as a family. Just like you used to have APC on the day of election in Cross River, it will look as if there is no election. Because there is zero opposition to APC. Zero opposition to APC in Cross River. And so, for us as Cross River State, today ends who is old or who is new in APC. Today ends whether there is an opposition, because I know that PDP is gone, finished, dead. So as we enter 2023, please, let's slow down on the politics. Let's do a strategic economic summit for Cross River State. Let's crystallize most of the projects we've started. Let's bring value so that when we go before the people in 2023 to talk to them about APC, they can actually see what Ayade has done. Now that we have an opening in the national, okay, you couldn't get here, we must move you to the national. Because I have a powerful negotiating tool and I have a good relationship with the president, it is easy for us to say some of us have to move to the national because the space in the state is very small. So please, just calm down. Forget everything, kill the fashions, calm down. Ayade will not put one person here and put one person on the ground.